Let's face it, we live in tough times, like seriously tough times. The world as we know it has been flipped upside down.
So now more than ever, we need to make sure that our students are still motivated to learn and that our teachers are up to date on the latest research as part of their CPD.
Going forward, online training is going to be a key part of any school's armoury. We've had a look at what's on offer out there and we are seriously underwhelmed, as most online training still involves simply sharing a bunch of PowerPoint slides over Zoom.
Hello, I'm Dan. Are you ready to learn?
We have spent the last few months here at InnerDrive thinking outside the box and developing what we consider to be the absolute gold standard of remote learning. So, what does that actually look like?
Well, our online sessions are self-access. This means that they can be viewed anytime and anywhere, meaning that your student education or teacher CPD is flexible and adaptable to suit your school's needs. Above all of our online activities are interactive, engaging and practical.
We can combine our self-access modules with live sessions as well, and by merging the two, this means you can get the best of both worlds.
So don't delay, the learning should never stop. To find out how our online workshops can help your staff and your students, get in touch with us now.